Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset your Omron blood pressure monitor. So how can you reset it? What you can try to do is this. Press and hold the start and stop first button and the home third button for at least 7 seconds. And when the confirmation screen appears, press the start and stop button to restore your monitor. So again, just locate the start and stop button and home. Press and hold the both start and stop and home button. Third button for at least 7 seconds. And when the confirmation screen appears, press the start stop button to restore your monitor. So I hope this video helped you what you can do and how you can reset the Omron blood pressure monitor. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.